This is Asbury Park Beach in the state of New Jersey. The water and sand was so rough, so sitting by the shore is rough on the bum. And for safety, if you're not a great swimmer, stay close to shore. The water gets deep quickly and the waves pulls the sand from under your feet. It was a scorching hot day, and the only relief was a dip in the ice-cold water. Or more like a feat. Here's my daughters enjoying the view from the rocks. There was a DJ on the beach for entertainment and a boardwalk for dining. Here's me getting my feet wet. Me with my eldest and youngest daughter. Day well spent.